Toads are a familiar sight in many Mississippi landscapes and can be encouraged to take up residence in your garden by creating miniature houses or toad abodes. These beneficial amphibians are a welcome addition to the home garden as they eat a wide variety of insects and small invertebrates. Toads naturally inhabit shallow burrows or debris piles in shaded locations. These simple materials can be provided to create the perfect conditions for a toad to move in. First, loosen the soil in a sheltered location and arrange these or other suitable items to create a burrow, making sure to place it safely away from hazards such as pesticides, lawn mowers, and string trimmers. Provide a shallow water source that the toads can easily get in and out of for a good soak after a night of eating bugs. Use your imagination and find repurposed or recycled materials to make toad houses of your own design unique to your own garden. For more information on how to make your landscape smarter, visit the MSU Extension Smart Landscapes website at extension.msstate.edu/smartlandscapes.